welcome. My name is Lily and I am so excited to show you guys this amazing product that I have just received. This is an essential oil diffuser by BZseed and I am so excited to go over its benefits and how this particular product works. So I want you guys to come along with me as I unbox this item. I actually have not even opened it yet because I want to do that with you guys. And we are going to talk a little bit about this particular essential oil diffuser, which can be found on Amazon for a very low price. And I received this within maybe a day or two business days, so it's fast shipping. And just by looking at it, you can tell that this is high quality, okay? And I love this color. This is a rosewood color. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yeah, that's the one that I want. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started with our unboxing and then we can get more into the benefits of using this particular essential oil diffuser. So come along. So this package is very easy to open. I just use my nail. You can use a scissors or a knife. So easy, okay? So as you can see, I have a cute little picture. Our specifications, tips about the company, and there are instructions right on the box. Take off the cover, you plug the cord, you can add your water and oils, and set your time and mist, and that's it. It's super easy, okay? So I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. This is protected, so they care about you getting your products intact, okay? So I'm already liking this. It is so pretty. So first we're going to take off the cover. It's so easy to take it off. You don't have to do this or that. You just take it off. And once you take it off, we have here the adapter with a cord, so we can plug that in when we're ready. And this is for you to fill up with water when you're ready to pour the water in. So let's get this plugged in. Let's plug this in here. It makes a beep when you plug it in. We can fill up our water. Seems to be a little bit over 100 milliliters. Get ready to pour in your essential oil. This is lavender essential oil and it's very soothing and calming for you. And I love the way this smells. So I'm pretty sure that this diffuser is going to fill my entire apartment and that is just the greatest thing, okay? Once you have your water and your natural essential oil in here, we're just simply going to cover this. Every time that you click on lights, it changes colors. So every time that you click on the first button, it's going to change the color and just pick your favorite one. I love green, so I'm leaving that on green. And then we're going to click on mist. This essential oil diffuser, or this aromatherapy diffuser, can provide a large amount of fresh air to those who suffer from dry cough, itchy nose, eyes, allergies, sinus, headaches, trouble sleeping. This beautiful essential oil diffuser, I highly recommend it, okay? And they have several different colors to choose from. Again, this is from BZseed, which is B for boy, Z for zebra, SEED. And they sent this wonderful oil essential diffuser to me and I'm very so thankful, okay? It was very fast. I was expecting to get it, I believe, a couple days from now, so I got it way ahead of time. Thank you so much, guys, for giving me the opportunity to have this in my home, okay? And thank you so much for watching. Bye.